Hey everybody, I've got some exciting optical illusions to go over with you today. You need to pay very close attention because your eyes are going to be trying to play tricks on your mind. And if you do focus well, you actually might be able to pick up on some of these illusions before I reveal them to you. This is furniture illusions. The reason I love optical illusions so much is because they play such crazy mind tricks on you. Take this chair for example. Looks like your ordinary chair, except when I sit on it, the illusion is broken. And you realize that the camera set up at a perfect angle to make that one illusion work, when in reality, you sit this direction and we've even had to curve the wood and mesh it in a way that, again, it's all about perspective from right over there. So, this next illusion, I'm gonna show you how to make a floating, levitating chair. And this is the perfect time to tell you about our sponsor, Ashley Home Store. Thank you for powering the magic in this video. And they have a fun augmented reality app, actually, that works to preview the furniture. So I'm gonna click this AR button and you can see what it looks like in your home. You can move it around in 3D. But let's move on to the magic. I'm gonna show you how to make this thing float. So this is the chair we're gonna use for the levitation. First, I gotta remove the legs. So now that I've got the legs removed from the chair, I'm gonna set it down in the middle of the room, and now, got a levitating chair. Oh. Actually, it's just a mirror and some boxes, but still a pretty cool illusion. So this next illusion is created by a designer named Vivian Chow. And I absolutely love this piece. I call it the infinity illusion. And you might be wondering what kind of furniture it is. You wanna take a guess? Now, if you guessed a chair, you'd be correct, but it's actually 11 chairs. Get this, each piece comes out from the smallest miniature chair all the way to the last chair, which is the 11th. Now, for this next illusion, we need to lose the light. Oh, sweet. So we're in this darker room to show off this next illusion with the 3 chairs. I want you to try to spot the difference between one of these chairs. One is not like the other. We have the green chair, the blue chair, and the red chair. Got your selection? I'm gonna reveal in 3, 2, 1. So the blue chair, if you watch it very closely, right now it's doing this weird, like trippy following the camera motion wherever it goes. And the reason it's doing that is because it's 3D printed and engineered in a way that it's actually pointing the opposite direction. So the illusion doesn't break apart until you get to see the other side. Trippy, huh? Let's move on to the next illusion. This is one of my favorite illusions. It's called an anamorphic illusion, and while technically it lies flat on the ground, it's one that comes alive when you line up the camera in the right position. This is called the 3-legged bar stool, and it's originally designed by a guy named Josh Carmody out of Melbourne, Australia. It looks like a 3-legged bar stool, right? But when I put my hand through here, it does this weird thing where the reason it puts my hand in front is because it's got a 4th leg right here. It's all about the design for the perfect perspective. So I hope you guys enjoyed furniture illusions, and if you did, you can subscribe right there. 2 other videos right here. Also, big thanks to my buddy Chris Tomes for building these illusions for us. See ya.